Oh shit, that's good.
Yo, how's it going, my man?
What's going on, man?
Yo, I'm going home, man.
You live in Brooklyn?
No, I live in Harlem, next to the college.
Oh man, you got a good trip up there, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
I work
shit.
around here, that's how.
Oh yeah, you did say that. Yeah.
So now
you riding home?
Man, I need to lose some weight, man. So I'm riding home now.
What you got? Oh, Specialized? That's good.
Yeah.
It's a good bike.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Yeah, now you going home?
No, I just came from work, dressed, changed my clothes. About to do 25 miles. That's the goal.
25 miles?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Where do you usually go?
I'll take Bedford all the way down and then take the bike path by the Bells Parkway.
Holy
So I'll go out
shit,
there.
Man.
Yeah. I mean, that's light because, you only got a couple hours in the evening. On the weekends, I'll do 50, 60. So I'm going to do about that this weekend, this Saturday.
God damn, man.
Yeah.
That's insane, man. Yo.
Yeah. All right, man.
Good to see you, all right?
I'll catch you later. Good old classmate from City College, man. All right, what's going on, guys? Back on this bike path here. Pretty windy out. I don't know if there we go. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's wind coming from the south. So yeah, nice and windy out here. It's always nice to get an after work ride in, and hopefully soon enough we'll get some group rides in. Really looking forward to that. Got some kite sailing out here. Today's the right day for that. It's windy out here. I really like this new bike path. Oh shit, by the way, I forgot to include this in a video. After the Airbus A380 video, I met with a subscriber. We ran into each other, and I completely forgot to put that in the video. So here it is. Here you go. Hey! Let's talk to this guy. Hey, what's up?
I recognize you from YouTube, man.
Oh.
Yeah, I ride too.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, what's going on?
Just getting a ride in.
Bell Parkway.
Now, I'm going back home now. I went down by JFK.
Oh, okay.
So, probably have like 38 by the time I get home.
You recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I need to get my setup too. Like I do cycling and motorcycles. I want to start vlogging also.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's like Steve. Steve, he does both.
Steve?
Yeah, this guy who I ride with.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he does both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What's your name, man? What's your name?
Larry.
Larry?
Yeah, I'll comment on one of your videos so you see my channel and all that.
All right, cool, man.
Right, man. Have a good one.
All right, catch you later, man. All right. So I got the camera with me. I'm gonna take another nice shot. I really like this camera, and I could connect it to my phone as well, so that's great. Can't stay still for too long, man. Oh man, it is freezing when you stop because your back is all wet and all that good stuff. You stop, you get all that wind on your back. It's bad. And same thing like when you're riding hard on a humid day and you kind of like dip your head down a bit, the way the air goes over your head to your neck, oh man, that is freezing cold. But beautiful, man. That plane is landing. Looks like a Delta, probably a 737. I wish we could go to my spot because I'm sure the planes are landing on that runway, but it's an evening ride. It's getting cold out. So I'm definitely not trying to be out here all night freezing. I'll save that for the summer nights, man. Summer nights, no problem. But these spring nights, I don't know. It's currently 6:21. Sunset is 7:30, so we only got a little over an hour, like an hour 20 minutes of good sunlight. But after that, man, you can forget about it. And I got some important stuff to do tomorrow, so I don't want to be too tired. I gotta be alert. Gotta be alert. Smooth as glass, man. It is so smooth. It's kind of chilly, so I ain't pushing too hard. But I did hit 24.8 just now, easily, not pushing. It's kind of cold. I'm not trying to get too cold. Look at that, the sun is coming out. maybe I'll warm back up. I've been saying this shit for the longest, but I have to clean my bike. It is dirty. The bike, the bike itself, the frame and fork, dirty. The chain, dirty. Definitely gonna have that shit cleaned up for the Staten Island tour. And if you see me at the Staten Island tour, man, definitely swing by and say hi, because I always get that one guy or those two guys like, hey man, I saw you but you looked kind of busy, I didn't want to interrupt you. No, it's fine, interrupt me. It's like one of the few times a year I get to see people watch the channel and actually get to speak with them. So definitely look for me, but don't look for a beard because it's all gone. Oh, listen to that guy. That's a big boy coming through. Wow, look at that. I know it's small on the GoPro, but that's nice. You can see the flaps fully extended and everything. That's how close the plane was, man. I can actually tell you. Flaps extended, landing gear down. Nice, man. Oh, okay. So this is the old roadway. They finally finished it. Nice. Oh, this is so nice. All right, so we're on the old highway. They built that up. They spent a few years building this. So this was the old highway. Shit, can we continue? I'm gonna show you this part of this bike path I used to hate traveling. Let's just take the bike path here, just to be safe, making sure that we could cross. Is the bridge missing? What the fuck? Oh boy. The bridge might be missing. And I did not see a sign back there saying that. Oh yeah, it's roadblocked. Let's see how far up we can get. Oh, this sucks, man. We can't get up to, man, we can't get to the park I wanted to go to today. Let's see. Yep, it is closed off. I'm surprised there's no security. Oh man. Man, oh man. Interesting. Got some electrical stuff exposed, right? Why not? Why not? Well, if you come the wrong way, at least you got a bathroom right there to use. Hopefully it's open. Well, this is very disappointing. Or we could use this as an opportunity to take some pictures. Oh, there's the bike detour. Holy shit, I missed it. Oh shit, I missed it. Ha! I missed that sign. I didn't see that shit. Oh man. Interesting shit. All right, looks like we can continue up this steep ass little grade. All right, cool. So we'll get to we'll get to ride on this new part. So I wonder what they're gonna do under there now. That's gonna be pretty interesting. Some kind of security guard right there texting and driving. I don't know, maybe he's like a cop, I don't know. He had like a badge on his jacket or a shield. All right, here we are at Canarsie Pier. Check out that big guy landing. Can't tell what kind of plane it is, but it has 4 engines. It has 4 engines, I can't tell. Yeah, I can't tell. What the fuck? All right, we're here at the end of the bike path. The bike path actually does go up a little more, but I don't know where it takes you. So this is the end for me. I'm out of road back home, but let's cross the street first. All right guys, well this is the end of the video. If you like these type of videos, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you like it, always leave me a comment. In the description, go ahead, check out my Strava account, the Strava route of the day, which is pretty much the route I took today. Also be sure to join the Strava group if you have Strava. If you don't have Strava, make a Strava and join the group. We'll greatly appreciate it. Look at my bad boy here. I gotta clean it. Still kind of dirty. But how many miles we got done so far? Almost 15 miles. Look at that bad boy. Jeez. Nice. Look how it curves too. That's hot. Maybe I'll camp out here for a minute, but if you guys want to leave, go ahead. I'll check you guys later. Make sure you look up the Strava account. All of my gear that I use, pretty much all of it, will be in the description via Amazon links. Greatly appreciate it if you guys use those links while shopping on Amazon. Get a little kickback if you buy something, irregardless if it's that product you're reviewing. You can buy anything off of Amazon through those links, and I'll get a little kickback, so I would greatly appreciate it as I'm watching this plane land. But I will see you guys later. JetBlue. Oh yeah. Nice.